Hey guys, how y'all doing, and welcome back to the channel. My name's David and I fix RVs, and today we're going to be upgrading an RV oven from this to this. Let's get started. First thing I want to do is turn off the gas. Next, I'm going to burn this excess gas out of here. Turn on my lighter. There we go. Notch this up over here and then slide this right on out. Now the new oven's gas line is in the back over here, so it's like I'm going to have to make some changes. I do have two screws down at the bottom, one on each side of the oven. Okay, now let's see if we can get this thing lifted out of here. I don't think there are any more screws. Nope, that was all of them. Nice. Alright, let's bring in the new oven. Yeah, I forgot that I need to get some DC voltage up here for these LED burners. They've got blue LED lights on them when they're not on, and then they turn red when they're heated. two red wires here, positive and a negative. I don't know which is which, so let's just check this out real quick. There we go, 13.44 volts, and this is correct. So this is my positive on the left. Okay, positive on the left. And negative on the right. Feels like a good connection. Voltage has made it up here. We've got good connections. Alright, let's get the connector on there. So this guy doesn't short out on anything. Tug on it. It's the 12 volts before I hook up the gas. Let's see what we got. Oh, there's some blue lights. Let's see, turn them on, they go to red, yeah. It's pretty cool, I like it. Okay, now we're just down to the gas. Quick leak test here. Make sure we don't have any gas leaking. I think we're good. Alright, now let's test one of these burners. The front one. Poof. Yes. There's all three burners. Alright guys, I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.